Hey guys, today I got a Cab by Fiberglass Jason Pace series. This one fits the 14 to 18 Chevy GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. Burgundy in color. It's got some chips. The paint, pretty good wear mark right there in the paint there. It does have something bolted to the top here that we'll see it's a rack of something inside there that they bolted through the roof here. Doesn't appear to leak. Looks like the rubber seals on it, so it looks like it's pretty good as far as that goes. Paint looks good through here. No problems on the top edge here. Small nick there on the top. Comes down through here. Paint looks good. Has a couple minor chips in the paint there, and then your corner's got a little bit of wear. Chip on the edge there. Edge on the paint here looks good all the way through here. And then you get back here, we do have a scratch right there and a couple little chips there on the bottom edge. Sliding window on the side here with the cargo door in the front. Turns open, allows access into the cap. So you can put your gear in here, camping gear or what have you there. Tools. Then you can close that down and lock it and seal it up. Keep your stuff nice and dry. Front sliding window in the front here. Paint looks good, pretty good through here. Small chip right there on the edge there. Small little chip right there as well, but a little tiny one. Paint looks good all the way through here. Small chip right there. And then a small chip right there. Down through here, the bottom edge looks good. This side of the windows are configured the same way. Small little chip on the corner there. I think this is one we already looked at once this there before. Then you got a couple paint chips right there and then right there on the roof. Through here the paint looks good on the top edge here. The rack is bolted here on this side as well, so you can kind of see that. Paint scratch right there. A couple minor stone chips here on the edge there, and looks like maybe a couple more right there. Not too bad. Paint looks good all the way through there, and we got a scratch right there, and then it looks like a little paint chip underneath the door. Same thing as the other side. As the cargo door here opens up, put your tools in. And then you can close that up, seal that up. Sliding window on the side here, as there was on the other side. Frameless locking rear door. Small chip right there. There's the bolts. I don't know what this is. This just is. There's no hole there. It's just like a piece of tape. I'm not really sure why there's a piece of tape on there, but it is. Bolts there. A couple scratches on the door skirt there. Some wear on the door skirts there as well. Inside is carpeted. Does have an LED strip light, but that appears to be, I would guess that was put in after the fact. That wasn't factory. Screens look good on this side. This window is a sliding window. It's a tilt-in window. And it slides open so you can access the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap, like so. And then also tilts in here, has a flip down lever there, one over here, allows this window to pull in, open up, allows you to clean the front of the back of this, the front of this window here, and the back of the truck cap that would be cab, that would be right there. Flip it back up, latch it down, and away you go. So it is carpeted inside here. Here's the rack that they have. I'm guessing it was probably a clothes rack, just by the way it was made. I don't know, it was somebody's design. Then you can sell it. I'm guessing this was just somebody's LED lights. I don't know if they work. We don't check any of the 12 volt stuff. It does have a switch for it, so it may, who knows. Screen on this side has a hole right there. But other than that, not bad. The screens are in good shape there, so. Other than that. So it is cab height fiberglass Jason cap to fit the 2014 to 2018 Chevy GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed, burgundy in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, things like that, those can all be purchased from us as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, certain style, certain model, certain color, we upload to YouTube at our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you'll want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on inventory as it comes in. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.